In this video, you will learn about Osome, which is an automated bookkeeping solution for Amazon and other kind of e-commerce sellers. And actually, you might be able to apply their solution for different other businesses. So if you are, especially if you're an e-commerce seller, check them out because they have integration with different marketplaces like eBay and Amazon. And also what's nice in their solution and software that you can send your invoices in different kind of format and it will be automatically understood by the system. So check their link below and check this conversation with Alex. He is leading the team behind Osome. And also, before you start watching the conversation, subscribe to the YouTube channel of Orange Klik and click the notification bell because here we talk with different Amazon experts and software creators. Hello, Alexey. It's nice to have you here. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us what is Osome?
Hello, Augustus. Thanks for having me here. My name is Alexey Potemkin. I am the managing director of Osome UK. And Osome is the specialized accounting and bookkeeping solution for e-commerce businesses.
And what I love about your service and your software is that it is kind of automated. I understood like it is enough to send like PDF or a scanned document to your system and then it will be included in the accounting and bookkeeping. Is it correct?
That is correct, but that is only one half of the solution and one half of the technology that we use to simplify the lives of the e-commerce sellers. Another half is the integrations that we have with e-commerce platforms. So one part is your invoices that you can send it in not only PDF, but any format actually. Just forward us via email and then we'll take care of them. And the second part, we will help you with integration with e-commerce platforms that you are using, and we will fetch automatically all the data that we'll need to put into the accounting software.
Everything you tell us sounds quite smart. And I know that you prepared a short presentation about Osome. So could you please share your screen and tell us more about your company?
So just a few words about the company itself. The company has been funded by the group of serial entrepreneurs who've been like throughout their entrepreneurial journey struggling with all the like admin functions that you have to be doing when you create a new business, create a new company, right? So a lot of the people in our team are the entrepreneurs themselves. They have their e-commerce businesses themselves. So we are basically doing the product, the service for ourselves. Let me start with giving you probably more background. I'm pretty sure most of your audience will recognize this document in the middle of the screen. And this is the document that causes a lot of pain, a lot of like long hours of useless admin work that the e-commerce sellers need to be doing in order to get their bookkeeping and accounting in order. And the problem is that this is like the only Amazon settlement statement which required to be transformed into the accounting transactions. But imagine if you are selling not only on Amazon, but on other e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce. So the amount of time that you now spend on admin will increase dramatically. And but you as an entrepreneur, you want to focus on growing your business, right? And taking care of your customers. So we wanted to build a solution that will allow you to spend almost no time on doing the admin stuff. How do we do it? There are three key components in our value proposition. So the first one is the one that we've talked in the beginning about the integration with e-commerce platforms. So there, our main goal is to simplify the bookkeeping process for you. We will integrate your Osome account and your Xero account with the e-commerce platforms that you are selling on, and we will fetch automatically all your sales data and inventory data from those platforms. So no need anymore to download the settlement statements from Amazon, convert them into accounting notes and put it into Xero. We'll do it for you. The second part of the value proposition is the what we call profitability report. So imagine that you've sorted out your compliance and you are now good with like accounting and bookkeeping, but now you want to grow your business, you want to find out where the money come from, and there we also can help you. So what this looks like is that we will sit with you, we understand what product categories. For some merchants it's SKU, from some merchants it's like product groups, what product groups you want to track, and then we will assign the tracking categories for each of the product group, and then at the end of the month or the end of the year, whatever period you've chosen, we will give you P&Ls for this particular product group. So now that you know exactly how profitable each of your products or product groups, and like where should you invest more money to grow your business. And then the third part of our value proposition is that we are your main point of contact for any compliance related stuff, any compliance related issues abroad. Right. So our we operate in the UK, Singapore, and Hong Kong. If you want to sell your products outside of those jurisdictions, in most of the cases, your traditional accountant will not be able to help you out, but we will hold your hand. We'll explain all the nuances of the rules of foreign compliance, and we will either ourselves or with help of our partners will help you to be compliant in all the countries you are selling in. Now, like, you probably have the idea of like, what do we do now? Let's get to the how do we do it part. So in short, Osome is placed in the middle between your platforms you're selling on and Xero and HMRC and other like tax authorities. So basically, again, as we said in the beginning, there are two component parts that we'll need from you as a business owner to send us through. We'll need you to set up the integration with your accounting platforms. And second, we will ask you to send us all the supplier invoices and receipts. Again, can be done in any format, PDF or any other format. We also have our mobile app where you can take a picture of the receipt and it will be taken care of. Then in the middle, the magic box called Osome will process all the transactions and will produce beautiful books, profitability reports, and tax returns in the countries you're selling. A little bit about our product itself. So in your account, when you sign up for Osome, you will be assigned to a dedicated, specialized e-commerce accountant who will be taking care of your business, and you will have access to this accountant in-app chat. You can ask any questions, and we usually answer in 24 hours. Now, the beauty of and elegance of automation and technology is that even if your accountant is on leave or is not available, there are going to be always someone to answer your questions, because all the information about your business or everything that you've asked us to do is already in the system, and like anyone in the team who can join the chat with you will be able to assist your particular case. Now, in addition to your accountant, you'll also be able to track your invoices, paid, unpaid invoices, account receivables, account payables. You'll also have the information about your finances on a regular basis, because we reconcile transactions in 24 hours. So from the time that we receive the document from you, the say invoice from the supplier, in 24 hours we reconcile the transaction. So you see the actual financial health of your business on a daily basis. In short, just to recap here, we will help you to simplify all your admin part of the bookkeeping and accounting. And also we will give you actionable numbers, and we'll help you grow in the countries you are selling on.
Thank you very much, Alexey. And before we talk about the pricing of Osome, could you please explain for which kind of countries your service is applicable? Where do you serve, and what kind of businesses can you help?
Definitely. So we currently operate in Singapore, Hong Kong, and the UK. So for the countries registered, for the businesses registered in these countries, we are able to provide full scope of accounting and bookkeeping services. Just like push the button and get your accounting and bookkeeping done. For the US customers, we are currently able to provide bookkeeping services only. So we'll take care of the integration with e-commerce platforms, we'll take care of your supplier invoices, and we'll produce the books ready for your CPA to review and to file taxes for you.
All right, so could you give us an overview of the pricing of your services?
So pricing-wise, we have two offers for the businesses on different stage. So the first one for the businesses who are just starting, it's maybe not their main business yet, and they want to try out the e-commerce business on the side. For them, we offer mini annual accounting package. It includes all the tax filing that needs to be done at the year end. So it works like this. You have your financial year end coming, you send us all the documents, we compile financial statements, corporation tax return, and company accounts for a company's house. And this package costs £550 a year. The second offer is for the customers who wants an ongoing support. For those customers, we also provide 24 hours reconciliation. So we reconcile your transactions in 24 hours. And we also provide you with unlimited consultations with your specialized e-commerce accountant. So whenever you have a question, you can come into the chat and your accountant will answer you in 24 hours. The price for these packages starts at £145 a month. This is for the businesses with a turnover up to £25,000 a month. And it grows then, for example, for the businesses with up to £50,000 a month turnover, the package would cost £245 a month.
And these prices are for all the countries, UK, Hong Kong, and Singapore?
Those are primarily for the UK. In Singapore and Hong Kong, the prices will be a little bit different, but not much. The packages are available in all the jurisdictions.
So on the website, people will find all the information.
If you go onto our website, you'll see the drop-down menu for what country you're registered in.
I'm kind of excited to talk about your service. It sounds really smart and really awesome to automate bookkeeping in this way. And I think it's really a no-brainer to use your service for a while. £550 per year is really a small amount. And actually, do you have any kind of trial period where businesses can try your service?
We don't have a trial period per se, but again, like if you are talking about the if you are talking about the monthly support, for example, right? It costs £145 a month. Again, like as you said, it's not that big investment, so that to try out the magic that we are offering.
And it includes unlimited consultations, right? So basically you can sign up and consult with your bookkeeping experts, and still it's quite good return of investment, right?
Definitely. And then you can't actually leave us because you don't know like what's he gonna do. Yeah. All right.
Thank you very much, Alexei. And those who are watching and would like to automate their accounting and bookkeeping of e-commerce or Amazon business, you will find the links below for the awesome company. And thank you very much, Alexei, one more time, and good luck in your business. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I feel really excited about this software and this accounting solution. It sounds so much easier than doing it manually or with some kind of different complicated Google Sheets and other integrations. check Osome, their software, especially if you're running business in UK, Hong Kong, or Singapore. You are welcome to get in touch with them or try their service for a while and see if it fits your business. And what I like about them, that they integrate with different marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, so they pull data automatically, and then also you can send all the invoices to them directly via email as a PDF or other format. So check them out. The links you will find below in the description. And now I would like to invite you to watch the different videos we created about Amazon European marketplaces. So if you want to know more about taxes or how to sell in Amazon Europe, check this playlist.